Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make fried plantain, or also known as tostones. So what we're going to do is we are going to need to peel this bad boy. Now, just a disclaimer, you want to use a colored cutting board because this can stain your white cutting board. So just make sure that you don't stain it, and if anything and you have a white cutting board, get some plastic wrap your cutting board. Okay, so first things first, I have a paring knife. It's a very small knife. I'm gonna cut the ends off, and the tostones or the plantain has these little ridges here. We're gonna use that to cut into the skin, so be very careful. We're gonna just score the skin. We're not going deep in, we're just going very lightly. Now with the knife, we are going to go underneath the skin. Let's see if I can show you. Go underneath the skin and pull. Find the skin and pull. Keep pulling. Keep doing the same thing on both sides. Get underneath that skin and pull. Just like that. And then we're going to do that for the whole banana. And once you get this first peel off, it's going to be a breeze. So, see? Start peeling it. Sometimes if you go too crazy, you may take a chunk of the plátano out. So you want to be careful, like what I just did. See, this is why we're all learning together. Make sure your paring knife is nice and sharp as well. For little things like this. See how it's being stubborn? Take the knife, go under the skin, and just lift. 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 And just start peeling away. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of these. I have 2. And I'll be back when all of this skin is off the banana. All right, y'all. I put my pan at a 6, and we are going to add our oil. I think to cover the whole bottom, but also just a little bit above. So, like that. Okay, we are gonna let that oil get hot and we'll be right back. All right guys, so I went ahead and I cut my little chunks in. So you want to cut them about this much, maybe an inch. And now you need to have your pan hot and ready because we're gonna fry these, and I'll show you how. All right, so my pan is at a 6 right now. We want this oil hot, hot, hot. So, here are my plantains. I'll put these over here. So we are going to start putting our plantains in as such. Whatever. That thing was being slippery. Alright. So we're going to fry the bottom side, and then we're going to flip them and fry the other side. And then we'll be right back. This is what you want to see, this color. You see the difference in color? So now you want to flip them. Now for the ones that can't be flipped because of how they're cut, you can just turn them on their side. It's okay. Alright. And we're going to wait for this color, like for the same color on the bottom. Alright, so now at this point you have to move quickly because you need to start smashing. So, I'm going to spray it with some oil, spray the cutting board. I'm going to grab plantain. And we're going to smush it. And you get a fork. And this is what you get. So we're going to put it back in the oil. Okay. So I'm going to do that again. Put a plantain on there. Spray the bottom of my can. Smush it. Flip it, put it in there. Okay, I'll be back when they're all done. Alright, these are coming along just great. I went ahead and smashed these as well. Make sure you're flipping them around. Oops. Sometimes they may break, but that's okay. Still edible to me. Alright guys, my tostones are done. Just gonna sprinkle them with some salt and enjoy it with a mayo ketchup sauce. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this recipe, please follow my page at Cooking with Kelly Michelle on Instagram. Make sure to like my video, and if you use my recipe, please tag me in all of your photos and videos. Thanks so much for watching.